If you want Microsoft Edge to automatically clear your browsing history every time you close the browser, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn that on step by step so your recent browsing activity gets cleared automatically when Edge closes. This is a simple privacy setting, and once you set it up, you won't have to manually delete your history every time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the main menu. From here, click Settings. This will take you into Edge's main settings page, where you can change privacy and browsing options. Inside Settings, look at the left side menu and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls how Edge handles your data, search preferences, tracking protection, and other privacy-related tools. It's the correct place for managing what gets cleared when you close the browser. Now scroll down until you find the section called Clear Browsing Data. In that section, click Clear Browsing Data on Close. This opens the options that decide what Edge will remove automatically after you close the browser. Once you're in that menu, you'll see several different items you can turn on or off. To clear your browsing history when Edge closes, simply toggle on Browsing History. This tells Edge to delete your browsing history automatically every time you exit the browser. If you want, you can also review the other options in this menu and decide whether you want to clear things like download history, cookies, cached files, or other browsing data as well. But if your main goal is just to clear history on Close, the only setting you really need to enable is Browsing History. After that, you can close the Settings tab. Your change should now be saved, and Microsoft Edge will start clearing your browsing history each time you close it. That means the next time you open Edge, your recent history will already be gone, helping keep your browsing more private. So just to recap, go to Settings, click Privacy, Search, and Services. Open Clear Browsing Data on Close and toggle on Browsing History. That's all it takes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.